our direction home. I could not believe when we landed on that cold winter day, with those American bells and American lights and American shapes and American eyes and American arms that Americans make. Watch America move and America shake. Direction.